JV Films.
Dedicate this one to my wife, love of my life.
It's just me and you.
It's just me and you. You know what I'm saying?
It's just me
and it's been me and you. From the start, I know I married a real one. Gave you the ring and then the sun, and now you know the deal's done. Now we gon' ride this road to the end, till the wheels gone. The royal king and his black queen, like we sitting upon a real throne. We got each other's back, no matter how much shade they throw. I guess people gon' always hate, that's just the way it go. Forklift our way through ups and downs, yeah, high low. See, love is like a plant, you care for it, and it's bound to grow. It's me and you, plus we got these kids to raise, and we put God at the head of the family. Give him all the praise. How much I truly love you, let me count the ways, like your smile and how it brighten up the room like sun rays. I hope you know I appreciate everything you do, and I'm gonna be there when the skies is gray, not only when the skies is blue. No lies and no surprises, the wise embrace the true. Long as I'm alive, husband and wife, it's just me and you.
It's just me, it's just you, girl. It's just me and it's just you. It's just me and you, girl. It's just me and it's just me and it's just me, it's just you, girl. It's just me and it's just you. It's just me and you, girl. It's just me and it's just me.
Nah, it's just me and you, and I don't need no other girl. You like a gem, I should call you mother of pearl. You cold like ice cream with that chocolate caramel swirl. Doing your Mary J when you say share my world. Yeah, you's a top-notch girl, but all woman, you my wife. Nah, it's just me and you for the rest of our life. We get to going in a circle, it's the ultimate sight. Never break this bond, you pay the ultimate price. Word to Christ, this whole marriage thing is all about sacrifice. And listening to that outside source, just bad advice. Relationships can be hot as fire, cold just like a pack of ice. Since you call me chef, I guess I'm gonna have to add the spice. Seriously, tell Mary and Perry they did a great job. You from the hood, but you got class, unlike the average hood broad. You a working woman, mama ain't raised no slob. Nah, it's just me and you, but I give all thanks to God.
It's just me, it's just you, girl. It's just me and it's just you. It's just me and you, girl. It's just me and it's just me and it's just me, it's just you, girl. It's just me and it's just you. It's just me and you, girl. It's just me and it's just me and you.